This is how you create a contact list in Office 365. You'll notice I've said there contact list and not group. We'll see why in a second. To get to the section you need, log on to office.com in a web browser. You'll get to this page, and if you click on the All Apps at the bottom left here, you'll see People, and it will bring up this page. So here's your list of contacts. That's just a couple of dummy contacts that we've got in there, and we can add a new contact there. If you click on the arrow next to New Contact, you'll see that you have an option to add a new contact, add a new group, or add a new contact list. Now the groups are what Microsoft Teams uses, but if you create a group, it sets it by default to be public. So don't create any groups unless you absolutely know what you're doing. What you need is a contact list. So if you click on contact list, we give the list a name. So we'll just call this one SLT. And then we have to add email addresses. And all we do is we click in this box and we type in the email address. And you'll see as I've typed that in, it's come up with the details of one of my contacts, which is Charlie Jackson. And I can just click on there and it adds Charlie to the list. If the user isn't in your contact list or isn't part of the tenancy, you would have to type in their full email address and then click add. If you want to remove someone from the list, you can click the X and it will just take them away. And you can give it a description if you want. Then just click create. You'll see there that the contact list then comes into your contacts. As you can see, you can send an email to that list, so everyone on that list will get the email. You can also edit the list by clicking on edit, and you can add more names or remove anyone that's in the list. Last thing to worth bear in mind, if you change Charlie's email in your contacts, it won't change it in your contact list. They are separate. So if one of your contacts that's in a contact list changes their email, you will have to go into that contact list and alter it.